ArielMiche. Thank you so much for coming back and being part of the gang. If you guys haven't already, before we jump into this look, be sure that you like, comment, subscribe. There's just 3 things, and it's all for free. Like, comment, subscribe. I like interacting with you guys, so be sure that you're talking to me back because I love y'all already. Thank you so much for my newbies. If you guys, sorry y'all, if you guys haven't already, catch up on my past looks. In this video, we're going to be doing this beautiful green eyeshadow look. It is one of my staples. It's one of my favorites. I love it so much. So if you guys want some more holiday inspiration, be sure to tune in. And be sure to follow me on social media because I'm going to do an alternate lip for this look. But thank you guys for coming back, and we're going to get started. Bye. All right, so I know you're gonna ask, why did I come in looking like this? Because we must bake. Now I'm gonna try to get through this before my face feels too dry and I mess something up. Anyway, we're gonna jump right into this holiday look. So y'all know I've been loving this Venice Fling palettes, and it's because they have a lot of nudes and brick colors, so I'm really loving that. That's like my everyday, so I really love this palette. So we're just gonna jump right in. If y'all see me looking down, it's because this has a mirror in it. So I am going to use this color here. It's called Tan Lines, and just put that all over as a base. Yeah, my skin is going through a thing. Can't believe I just did that. Okay, so I just put that all over, just jumping right in. Actually, not just jump right in because I can't find the palette. 1 second. All right, so we're back. If you guys don't follow me on social media, be sure to do that because I normally tag all the people whose product that I use there. So I have done a look before with the Brenton Rocks and Wet n Wild collab palette, and so that is what we're going to do today. So we're going to kind of work backwards a little bit because I tend to just do that. So I am just gonna jump right in to this color here. It's called Venomous, and sorry, notifications, try not to be distracted. You do want to tab because there could be access from time to time, but just going to pat that all over my eyelid. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome, babes. Welcome to the gang. But essentially, because I have smaller eyes, I like to go above like my natural crease to create the illusion of having a bigger eye space. So we're just gonna go on the other eye. And no, I haven't blended it yet. Yeah, I'm working against my own self because I have interesting skin, to say the least. And we're just gonna put that above the crease because y'all, I love emerald green. It is actually my birthstone, so I love emerald green. Okay, so I'm just gonna get a little closer, nothing too dramatic. I'm gonna take that same brush that I used for my base color, and I am just going to just blend out the harshness of that green so that we can create a gradient. Nothing too much, nothing too crazy, right? So the next thing I want to do is I want to go in to this rose tattoo. Just a little bit, tap out the excess, because I don't want to take away from the green. So nothing too dramatic, but it works. I'm gonna tap into this color here. It's called Toasty. I'm just gonna put that just like in the outer portion. I really don't like to use a bunch of eyeshadows on my eyes, just because I already have a small eyelid space. So, yeah. So another thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flat brush. I'm going to use my Wet n Wild Photo Focus 3-in-1 priming water, and I'm going to spray. Okay. Now, the star of the show. It's this color here, and it's called Big Peacock Energy. So I'm giving y'all all the energy, period. So, random fact about me. I hate when people say period. Okay, so I am just going to show you. I'm just gonna tap that into the center of the eye because it's just what I said it was. It's just the star of the show. It's the main event. Okay. And another thing, it just draws you to the center of the eye. So when and I do wear lash extensions, so these are not strips, these are extensions. Just gonna pat that on. I'm gonna do the same, just a little bit more, and voila. Let me wipe this dust off my face. 1 second. All right, so I know y'all like this video is really quick, but it is because two things. Y'all need to go watch my highlight and contouring video, period. Second thing, I have a little bit of an update in regards to like my everyday highlighting, contouring, all that stuff. So it's a little bit different in how I do things, and I'm sure you guys can tell I got some new products, so I'm gonna do another video on that. I just didn't want to make this video long because we're giving holiday vibes. We're getting ready for that. Sorry y'all, my hair's a mess. We're getting ready for that holiday party, so we don't have time for all of that. But I did go ahead and set my contour, my perimeter, my nose contour. I wiped all of the excess, look at my nails, yeah. See, I know emerald green is my favorite color, but I did wipe off the excess powder, y'all, and I can't lie, I love that powder. So, and I want to say, gosh, y'all, I want to say her name is Princess Reese on YouTube. Shout out to you. She is a content creator from New York, beauty influencer, makeup artist. I believe, I'm hoping that I'm saying her name right, but she suggested this powder, y'all, and I can't lie. It's pretty good. So anyway, the last portions I am going to film on camera. So we're going to put some blush on, and y'all will see me try out Be Simone Beauty for the first time. I ordered some products for Black Friday. Just to let you guys know, I use the Il Makiage foundation, and I also use their concealer. So to that, and I'll of course film another video with that. I have used their primer, their foundation, their concealer, and I must say I am a fan. So yeah, let's just jump into the Sorry, I'm always bending down on camera. Let's just jump into the blush and we'll get it started. You will not believe that I was not recording, but I wasn't. Nope, I wasn't. So, just to go over it again, I'm using my trusty dusty Morphe blush palette, and I use the Unapologetic and the golds because I wanted to kind of be a little bit more happier than normal. I did not use the highlighter that is in this palette. I actually used one of my staple favorites, but because of COVID, I don't like wearing makeup and masks. They just, if I do, it's for a specific reason. I hate it. Okay. However, my one of my YouTube gurus, Tierra Monet, she just uploaded a video. Excuse me, so check her out. She just uploaded a video, and the video, excuse me, okay, the video, she used NYX, Can't Stop, Don't Stop, and it's supposed to be transfer proof, so that's gonna be my next pickup. Anyway, just a side track, I was talking to you guys about my delay in my upload schedule. Okay, it's not COVID. Yeah, so I just simply apologize just for my delay in my upload schedule. Being a content creator is not an easy job, I must say. This year I have been working to make sure that I take myself more serious in regards to that, and I can say that it is not easy. So just with me not feeling well and stuff like that, it caused a delay, so my apologies. Yeah, I know I mess with y'all hard. But yeah, that was just my disclaimer. I have already put on highlighter. I'm gonna put on just a little bit more, but I have been using this. This is Ofra Cosmetics Blush Strips Illuminating. It says blush, but I never use it for blush. So I just use this rose gold and this gold here, and I just tapped the two. I'm just gonna put a little bit on my forehead, cause y'all, this is holiday makeup. Some of us are not doing a thing or not having a holiday party, but for those of us who are, you know, especially those of you guys who are in states where they aren't as cautious, or maybe they are, I don't know. Yeah, I hope this gives you some makeup inspiration. This is where we are so far. And be sure, y'all, that y'all go check out my videos. If you haven't caught up, I'm just brushing my eyelashes out, but just my my highlighting, my contouring videos, my eyebrow videos, yeah. I'm trying to help y'all out while trying not to drop stuff. So yeah, y'all, let's do it, cause why not? So I am going to line my lips here. One of the things that I did not do with B. Simone's Black Friday sale, I did not get like a brown pencil, so I'm just going to use this one by Nabi, and it's in the color dark brown. Sorry. Yeah, I was trying to beat my radiator because my radiator be knocking like it's the police. Okay, so I'm just gonna line my lips, and I don't take lining my lips serious because I've been blessed. I cannot lie, but for this purpose, I'm just gonna line my lips. Just fill in the corners. I will say that I'm gonna do an alternate look to this, or more so an alternative lip combo for my extra girls. I am one of them. For this, we're just gonna do a nude lip. But I really liked B. Simone's nude lip, so we'll see. Before I get into that though, I'm going to spray myself. Woo. I love it. I'm gonna let it soak into my face and then I'll be right back. All right, so if you guys haven't heard of B. Simone, she is a comedian slash actress slash entrepreneur, and the list can go on, so shout out to you. But she came out with a beauty line, and this is how the box looks, and the color that I am using is You're My Boyfriend. Okay, so it's just this nude color here, really pretty. This is how this looks, very bougie, luxurious. And okay, I like it already because one is thick, but not in like the overly thick, like it's the good amount. I don't know. Yeah, I like thick lip gloss. I'm sorry. I like to feel it when I apply it to my lips or when I'm wearing it. So, and when I do gloss, I like for it to be extra glossy. So what do you guys think of my holiday inspired look? I am going to throw on some clothes and then I'll come back with a finished look. All right, so we are back. We are popping, we are feeling ourselves. So this is the final look, y'all. I can say that I do love this product. Actually, I'm just gonna apply a little bit more. Yup, right there. And yeah, this is the finished look. I would definitely wear this to a party. I would wear this for New Year's. I would wear this, not just because it's my favorite color, but yeah, if y'all like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure y'all follow me on social media because I am going to do an alternative look to this, alternative lip to this. My face is pretty much beat, and I'm feeling myself. I have nowhere to go at this point. But yeah, y'all, so be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys have given me this year so far. I appreciate it. I love you so much. Mwah. And that's okay. Bye.